Good evening, TWF fans, and welcome to tonight's passionately Royal Rumble. Exactly, Dick Thompson. It is just a pity I cannot be there to see it. Colonel, what's with the video call? Unfortunately, tonight's match has clashed with my son's, Colonel Classic Jr., wrestling classes, and I had to take him. And, of course, today just happens to be Lance's day off. Exactly, but as this match is so important, I will watch via video call and multitask with my son. Okay then, Colonel, on to the match!
Ladies and gentlemen, in this corner, the princess and premier acrobat of the proud nation of Porpostan, wrestling for the mighty Dexteras and royal subjects everywhere, it's Pepe the Purple Panda!
After an epic bout against the infamous Black Knight earlier this season, Pepe the Purple Panda is back to defend the reputation of Porpostan against all who challenge it, just as Junior will do to all who challenge the reputation of Colonel Cossack!
And in this corner, for the evil Sunny Struz, from the spooky hills of Creepyvania, the hypnotic fiend with an intent to scheme, Evil Ira!
Everyone make sure they have guys on them, so the treacherous vampire magician cannot infect you if he turns on you. I'm confident that's only in the movies, Colonel.
Dexteras, Sinistras, thumbs up, throwdown! Lock 'em up!
4, 3, 2, 1, who will be the strongest thumb? And Pepe is quick out of the box for a Testus Twister, followed by a haunted poke over from Evil Ira.
We meet again, Princess of Porpostan.
Whoa, and a blow to the mouth! Slimy Sinistra, vile traitors in the name of the Dexteras, you shall not pass!
So you still remember that bit of history, huh? Perhaps that will be something to play with.
And here it comes! Evil Ira goes on, Pepe goes high, Evil Ira slams her in the stomach, and now... I can't believe my eyes! Evil Ira is making himself and Pepe levitate!
And... back to earth for you! Abracadingo!
Round 1 is over and Pepe's in real trouble again. She's clearly never faced the likes of a vampire magician before. If she doesn't find a way to beat Evil Ira soon, the results could be disastrous for Porpostan. Just like my son's great and crushing school.
Porpostan might be a kingdom, not a republic. But not even a monarch can only stay in power for so long without civilians aboard. Look into my eyes, Princess Pepe. You are getting sleepy.
Oh, no! You vile pretender! I will not look! I mustn't look! I must... What's that? Evil Ira has hypnotized Pepe the Purple Panda! It's the Evil Eye!
You hate seeing the poor line the streets of Porpostan!
I hate seeing the poor line the streets of Porpostan. What is Evil Ira doing?
You resent every moment you have to spend, acting as a kind and benevolent ruler.
I resent every moment I have to spend acting as a kind and benevolent ruler. I think he's using the Evil Eye to make Pepe badmouth the Porpostanis.
You want to claim your truest destiny.
I want to claim my truest destiny.
You know it is time to abandon the Dexteras and allow Porpostan to flourish under the reign of the Sinistras.
I know it is time to...
Abandon the Dexteras! Now! Do I have to drop a dragon on you?
Come on, Pepe! You don't like the Porpostanis! You're being hypnotized! Hypnotized? You vile monster! I will never surrender Porpostan to you!
Curses! Apparently you will! You asked for this, Princess Pepe! I will now drop a dragon on you!
Whoa! And the dragon is indeed coming crashing through the ceiling! And Pepe is down! This could be it for the exteriors! No, if I've got anything to say about it, it won't!
And now the princess falls, and now I advance to the quarter. Huh? What is this?
Hey, might be too badly injured to continue, but there's nothing stopping her tagging out in the timeless limbo. Adam! Don't worry, Pepe. I'm saving poor Miss Dan, no matter what I have to do. The princess is down! Oh, my son is doomed! Just like my son will be if he doesn't start accepting his destiny! But quiet about that, Colonel! This is an upset! Leaping movies! Pepe, in the purple Panda falls victim to evil Ira's manipulations, forcing Adam and Longcroft to tag in. At the end of the day, whose flag will fly over Castle Porvistan?
So, we face off at last once again, Adam and Longcloth. I've been meaning to face off against you for some time. Ever since you defeated me in that Halloween Tag Team Championship, that is.
Interesting choice of words, Evil Ira. Time is my whole gimmick.
Raining fireballs, eruption of Mount Vesuvius, perchance?
It's destruction, a major tragedy, but it does allow me to bring the fiery rain on you. How can you not lose?
Mind Shield, one of my vampire tricks, Adam and Longcloth. And by the way, you are not the only one who can make things rain from the sky.
Whoa, you've got skills! Indeed he has, Adam, but you can do this! I would! Absolutely the environment, skin, because requirement, not way too much coverage. Explain, please. These suits me. Porvistan shall never be yours, Evil Ira! Not whilst I live!
But you tagged out for a weakling, a princess, Adam and Longcloth. Didn't you, Adam? Adam, I'm over here!
And a magical boxing club to the face. That we saw in the morning. The only other time someone had to attack him was when James Montgomery fight battle Santa Skull when he got that weakling stash in.
You're weak now, Adam and Longcloth, whereas I can no longer stand to be ridiculed. This match must be brought to rest. You are getting sleepy.
No, I won't rush. I mustn't. What's that? Evil Eye has hypnotized Adam and Longcloth! It's the Evil Eye again!
Now, on the count of 3, I will drop a mattress on you, and you will fall to the mat and let me pin you!
No!
1, 2, 3! What? Where did he go?
Behind you! What are we? Adam and Longcloth escapes Evil Eye's trap via his time powers! A lucky break for the exteriors!
I still have more tricks up my sleeve!
But time is always on my side, Evil Ira. Time is what I say it is, and I say it's time to stop your clock! Here it comes, folks! Adam and Longcloth is setting up at the clock stopper! Tick-tock goes the clock! Cradle, crease, struck! Tick-tock goes the clock! Time to knock out the city struck! Adam, you saved my country from this monstrous evil. Thank you so much. Think nothing of it.